Hey everyone, Meteorologist Joe Martucci here talking about this Monday night to Tuesday storm. Here's the latest forecast I have for you as we round out the weekend. This does start 9 p.m. to midnight on Monday night as rain, ends around midday on Tuesday. Now, for some of us, this will end as snow late on Tuesday morning in South Jersey and the Jersey Shore. Now, everywhere along the Jersey Shore, we have coastal flooding Tuesday morning into the midday here. We have a coastal flood warning in effect for all of the Jersey Shore from 8 a.m. on Monday until 3 a.m. on Wednesday. However, the warning for that moderate flood stage comes with that Tuesday morning high tide. That's when tides will be highest across the area. Here's a look at our winter weather alerts too. Winter storm watches and warnings in effect for the northwestern corner of New Jersey. We'll probably get some nuisance level advisories. They're called winter weather advisories to populate as far south as the New Jersey Turnpike corridor here. Here's a look at our futurecast. Monday is a dull, gray day, but it's dry. Here comes that rain around 9 o'clock or so. It's a soaking rain as we go overnight. You see those purples and blues on the far top part of your screen? That's where we're expecting that snow in the far northern parts of the state. Eventually, that rain-snow line does move to the south and east, but it's kind of too little too late for us. At 7 a.m. Tuesday, we're still raining. Then as we go later into the morning, that's when we can mix with snow as far south as places like Hamilton, maybe getting into Toms River and Stafford as well. The steady snow should stay in Mercer to Monmouth County on north, and then this gets out of here as we go into our early Tuesday afternoon, and we'll clear out afterwards. Here's my snow forecast. This is as of Sunday afternoon. It is pretty much rain for a good part of South Jersey here. We look at a more zoomed in look into the southern half of the state. A trace to 2 inches expected from about, we'll say, Camden onto the north and east here, getting into the more rural parts of Ocean County. Jackson Township, you're included in this, Plumstead as well. We go up further north, that's where we expect that accumulating snowfall, 2 to 4 inches for places like Newark, New Jersey, and on northwest, Sussex County, most of Warren, northwestern part of Morris County, parts of Passaic and Bergen too, 4 to 8 inches of wet snow for you. We look at our rainfall totals, and you'll see this populate here. We're going to generally be between a ½ inch to an inch of rain when all is said and done with this. Now, why isn't South Jersey and the Jersey Shore seeing snow? We know that usually the snow stays in the northwestern corner of the state, but here is why. It's about location, 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 and where the center of that low pressure system is. If it goes over the benchmark, which is 40 degrees north latitude, 70 degrees west latitude, typically this means the I-95 corridor and points north and west sees snow here. And you see where that low pressure system is, right over the benchmark. Now, if you want snow at the shore and in South Jersey, that center of the low has to be further to the south and east, where you see that blue asterisk, just east of Cape May and south of about Portland, Maine. It's not going to be the case for us, and that's why the snow is pretty much north and west of the Turnpike with that rain-snow line right along the I-95 corridor. We do have tidal flooding, minor flood stage Monday morning, moderate flood stage Tuesday morning into the midday. We're up to 2 hours, could be in moderate flood stage. Many Bayside roadways flood at this part of time when you do get moderate flood stage. This only happens a couple times a year. This will be a problem on the roads. Here's a look at Atlantic City during moderate flood stage. Right as soon as you get off Absecon Boulevard, it's pretty much flooded out on Melrose Avenue, Connecticut Avenue, Massachusetts Avenue. You're seeing water. I do expect that if you're on the Barrier Islands or right next to the bays on the inland towns here, you're going to have some issues getting around as you go into Tuesday morning in the midday here. But the good news is it's just one round of moderate stage tidal flooding. Here's a look at our gusts, fairly calm during the day on Monday, and even into Monday night, it's not all that strong. The strongest gusts come on Tuesday morning as the storm really intensifies. In fact, this should become a bomb cyclone, which means it's rapidly strengthening within a 24-hour period. Wind gusts will be in the 40s as we go into Tuesday morning here at the coast, even inland, getting a 35 or 40 miles an hour. Winds will come out of the northwest as we go into the afternoon. That pushes out that salt water from the bays, helping to dry out that coastal flooding. It also helps to end our system as we get a shot of drier Canadian air from the north and west. Here's a look at our inland 7-day forecast. We go to Monday. It's a mild day. Rain, a little bit of snow inland in South Jersey Tuesday morning. And then as we go into Wednesday and beyond, looking dry, fairly seasonable, if not below average, a couple of days here, but no extreme warmth, no 50s or 60s expected after Tuesday. We are going to eye a storm as we go into President's Day weekend. We have seen our fair share of winter storms President's Day weekend. We'll see if we'll get one on Saturday, but the main story between now and then is making sure you avoid that coastal flooding as you go into your Tuesday morning if you're at the shore, and if you're making your way further north on your Tuesday, being aware of that snow. We'll have more details for you on our website, pressofac.com/weather. You can check out our latest Across the Sky podcast there as well.